You can see here that I've already imported a few different queries into the Power BI desktop. I've got 5 different tables that I've brought in, one fact table and a few dimensions: geography, date, manufacturer, and product. And as you work with the query editor in Power BI desktop, you might find that you get more and more things in this left-hand pane. And one of the things that you can do to help organize these is create groups. So just right-click and choose New Group. And then you can give it a name. So I'm going to put all of the dimension tables into one group. And then to move them around, just drag and drop. Really simple. And you can choose exactly where on that list they go by hovering, and you'll see that yellow line appear. And I can do things like renaming these, ungrouping, deleting the groups, etc., as you'd expect. I can move individual queries around as well by right-clicking them and choosing this Move to Group option. This gets really, really useful, particularly if you're doing things like creating lots of functions or adding parameters or adding lots of different data sources that you're bringing together. It can make it much easier to work with very large sets of data that you're bringing in when you're in Power BI Desktop here. So really, really simple thing just to coordinate the queries that you're using.